All right, here's Sparks.
Recording.
Winter 2010. Kicking off December, y'all.
January?
Well, no, it's still December.
How's he kicking it off?
Huh? Because we only got so many more days left, and this is the most epic thing so far. So we're kicking it off, all right? Oh, God. Anyway.
Alright, ready?
Yo, here's Sparks. That'd be really awesome or really bad.
Here's a present for you.
What a dick.
Got him.
John's a pussy and won't even go down sitting down. John's a pussy and won't even go down sitting down.
That's crazy good. Give me a menthol. Give me your red.
Here I go. Here I go.
Come on, I want to see this.
Sparks fell. Nowhere near as bad as I'm probably about to.
Worst comes to worst, just tuck and roll.
Yeah, I know. Alright, yo, right man, you ready?
Yo, I've been filming.
Okay, here it comes.
Did you just rip it?
Pretty good.
Oh, I thought you ripped it.
Nah, I'm good. My knee went off the side. Other than that, yo, I think I was doing pretty good on it.
Yeah, you just... RJ, you're gonna fall, right?
You got part of that. You ready?
Right, you good?
Alright, here it comes. You're a big guy.
You messed up fucking Wilson. He's going backwards.
Oh!
That hurt?
Was that scary?
Oh, binding right in my back. That probably hurt so bad. That's probably killed you, bro.
Good.
Come on, Sparks, get down.
Binding down, bro.
Slide down your ass, Sparks.
I should have laid the binding down.